wide open, and we kick 1 and 2, then we jump towards that same direction. Then you hug yourself. So it's more like you open up and you catch or hug yourself. Okay? So put that together one more time. 5, 6, and 7. Go. Kick, kick, and hug. Then we'll take it to the left. Exactly the same progression, but like we said, hands open whenever you're kicking. Then when you jump, you're gonna hug or catch yourself. All right. So put it together on the left now. We go kick, kick, and hug. All right. So you put left and right together. That gives you the ATL stomp. So we're gonna put both sides together and see how we do. 5, 6, and 7, and go. And the kick, kick, stop, kick, stop, kick, stop, and kick, stop. Perfect. I'm gonna take it to the side so you have a rare view of what it looks like. All right. So 5, 6, 5, 6, and 7, go. And we kick, kick, and the catch, and quick, kick, and catch. Good. So putting this whole together, then you have your actual ATL stomp. You can do it to any music that you prefer. First off, you want to keep your hand like so. You have your shoulders like this, and you want to step out on your heels on the left, and you bring your right in. Now, before we start going to different directions, I need you guys to focus on the legs, okay? So, 1, 2. So you're basically sending your right behind your left, while your left twists in front. Let me take it slowly. We'll do it on the spot. You get a hang of it before we start going from the left to the right, okay? So we go, your right basically goes behind your left. 1, 2, 3. While your left, which is in front, just twist. It's gonna twist every time your right goes behind the left. So that is the basic movement. But then when you put it together, it's going to look like this. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Perfect. Now you want to do this exact same move. Now times 1. Now we'll do it again for times 3. Okay? Now you want to repeat this exact same move, but now we're doing it to the right, which means our left is gonna go behind our right this time. So we go 1, 2, the exact same movement we did on the on the left hand side. Okay, so left goes behind, behind. Now your right twists every time your left goes behind. Okay, so we're gonna put that together. It's going to look 1, 2, 3, 4. Perfect. Good. Once you've gotten that out of the way, the final piece of the puzzle is keeping your hands like this. I mentioned this at the start. So we're gonna do this double times. 1, 2, double, double. That is 4 times on one part. So left, right, left, left. Wherever you start from, you're gonna double, double on that part. I'll take that again. So we're gonna start from the left, which means we're gonna do what? Double, double on the left. So 1 and 2 and double, double. All right. So put the whole combos together. We're just gonna focus on the left hand side now. Okay. So we go 1, 2, double, double. All right. So we'll take it to the right hand side now and repeat the same thing. 1, 2, double, double. Again. 1, 2, double, double. Good. So once you've gotten the hang of both the left hand side and the right hand side, you want to bring these two movements together. So left and right, do it as many times as possible until you get comfortable with the movement. All right. So we'll do it together. 5, 6, and 7, and go. And 1, 2, double, double. 1, 2, double, double. Perfect. Perfect. Now, a tiny trick you can do when you're executing this move is you can as well move your toes. So use the heels of your feet and twist. You're gonna twist the one in front as well. The same thing happens on the right. You twist your toes to whatever direction. So this is more like the inverted C walk, and this is it. Good. Perfect. If you've gotten to this point of the tutorial, you're doing such an amazing job. Keep doing it until you get really comfortable with all the movement and it becomes really smooth. And if you're looking at improving your dance skills and becoming a better dancer or a confident dancer, or if you're a dance coach trying to improve the dance business, we've got something for you. So I'm going to put it our Virtual Dance Academy right on the screen. I can check it out in the description section as well. I'm also going to pin it on the comment section. Make sure to check it out. We have sessions for beginner dancers, intermediate dancers, advanced level dancers, just about anything for anyone. And also, like I said, for dancers or dance coaches that have their studio running, we also have business mentorship for you guys. So make sure to check out our website in the description section, and I'll see you in the next one. Jinnxx signing out. Peace out.